Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Magic Mouse. So this is Magic Mouse Pro 2. So this is the Magic Mouse, and one of the reasons I got this because I was actually contemplating like why will I spend so much just to buy a mouse. Yeah, so considering the fact that I have a desktop and I have an external mouse I'm using, and since my laptop is MacBook, I felt like it's very difficult trying to swipe left and right. So I had to, if I want to swipe, I need to use like click on my laptop and trackpad and then swipe. So, but that's not convenient enough. So that's why I had no choice but to get this. And today I'm going to be unboxing it before I start using, so that by the time I start using it, I can also give my review on that maybe in another video. So for now, we're just going to see what is inside this box. All right, so let me see. This thing is so tightly glued. I don't even know where to begin tearing it from. Help myself. So I think with this we can, yeah, so this is easy now. Okay, I still need to do something here. Let me see. Okay, good. All right, sweet, 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 sweet. Wow, I'm really holding this Apple mouse. Let me see the magic in the mouse, why they are calling it Magic Mouse. So this is a mouse 2 or so, and then this is where you like charge it, unlike the other one that you charge from this other side, and it's quite heavy. That's weight. And so it's a Bluetooth mouse. You can switch on and off from here. So it's quite cool. Right now I can't really say much about the mouse until I start using it. So this is just what the mouse looks like. All right, so this is the Magic Mouse. What's it called? Manual. And then so this one I'm going to go through it later. And this is the USB cable that came with it. So this one side is Type C and the other side is the regular Apple type. And then I think this goes here, and this other one goes here. Yeah, another important thing I need to tell you about this mouse is that it lasts very long. Unlike the other ones I've been using, I don't think they even last up to a day. Most of the time I have to just plug when I see that it's not behaving well. But this one, I've from reviews I've seen, for just 2 minutes or 3 minutes of charging, you can use it for 3 hours. And once you charge it full, it can be charged full, let's say in like 2 hours, and it can take you for more than a month without charging. So I believe that's one of the reasons this is here, because it's bad user experience to have this port here. But then the way it is, you don't need to charge it all the time. So you just charge it once and then use it for the rest of the month. So yeah, that's it. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section and I'll do it to answer you. And thank you very much. If you have not subscribed, please do it, subscribe.